Welcome back to TNA Auto Reviews. Today, we're stepping into the world of an icon that defined adventure for an entire generation, the 1966 Ford Bronco. This wasn't just a vehicle, it was Ford's bold answer to the rising off-road culture, created to challenge the toughest terrains and stand toe-to-toe with giants like the Land Cruiser and Jeep CJ. And it did exactly that, with style, strength, and a unique American spirit. The 1966 Bronco carried a design that was simple, square, and almost military in its posture. Its flat panels, upright windshield, round headlights, and short wheelbase gave it a tough, compact look built for the outdoors. There was no softness anywhere, everything about the Bronco looked rugged, strong, and ready for dirt roads. The removable top added another layer of freedom, letting drivers turn it into an open-air adventure machine whenever they wanted. Under the hood, the early Bronco came with a sturdy inline-six, built for durability and torque rather than speed. Later models received the small-block V8, which transformed the Bronco into a serious performer both on and off the pavement. Paired with a strong 4x4 drivetrain and impressive ground clearance, the Bronco earned its reputation for being unstoppable in rough environments. Sand, mud, rocky trails, the Bronco handled it all with confidence and control. Driving the 1966 Bronco was a raw, authentic experience. No assists, no electronics, just mechanical honesty. The steering felt heavy but connected, the suspension felt firm but capable, and the engine delivered a steady, powerful push that made you feel like you could conquer any path in front of you. This wasn't about comfort, it was about exploring, pushing boundaries, and enjoying the freedom of rugged landscapes. Inside, the Bronco kept things extremely simple. A metal dashboard, straightforward gauges, durable seats, and a no-nonsense layout reminded you that this vehicle wasn't built for luxury, it was built to work. Everything was functional, tough, and designed to last in harsh outdoor conditions. Yet despite its simplicity, the Bronco's interior had a charm that captured the spirit of the 60s off-road era. Over the years, the 1966 Bronco became more than just an SUV, it became a cultural icon. Enthusiasts restored it, customized it, lifted it, and turned it into one of the most desired classic off-roaders in the world. Its value shot up, and today, a clean first-generation Bronco is considered a treasure by collectors. Its boxy silhouette, open-air design, and adventurous personality keep it forever relevant. The Bronco represented freedom, wilderness, and fearless exploration. It carried families through forests, helped farmers in tough terrain, and inspired countless adventures. Even decades later, it stands as one of Ford's greatest creations, a machine that shaped the identity of off-roading in America. This was the legendary 1966 Ford Bronco, a rugged pioneer that left a lasting mark on automotive history. Thank you for watching TNA Auto Reviews.